In this video, I'm going to show you how to get project estimates into your detail page in Qfactor. So come in here to my dashboard. I'm going to add this to an existing proposal, Manhattan 1. I come in here and I see that there's no estimated fee in this field. In order to get that populated, I need to come into Proposals and Services, add a service, and for the moment I'll just show you pull in a basic service. And this gives us the estimator tool that allows us to put in hours and multiply it by the existing rates as they are in QuickBooks. We can use service items from QuickBooks and then give it our own description here in the task field. This will allow us to quickly estimate a project on the fly based on the service items that go into it and give us some hours to compare to later on when the project is actually in gear and we need to compare to actuals. So if I save this and I come back to my details page, now I see an estimated fee of $11,690. But if this isn't going to be an aerial survey and it's just a general estimate, then what we can do is create a service template for generic estimating. And I'll show you how to do that here. Go to your account screen, go to a service templates, and let's go ahead and start with aerial topographics so that we don't have to start from scratch. We'll just call this generic service. We have to have text in here, so again we'll just say generic service. We want to be able to do it as a range, so you can show min and max, and we may not need aerial surveying, but we can just leave everything as is here because you'll be able to change it on the actual project. So now I save it and you see we have a generic service item. If I come back to my Manhattan project, come into here, add service, there's my generic service, and now I can come in and start editing the values. If I don't want aerial mapping, I can remove it. I can make this 5, 8, 5, 8, and you see how all our values dynamically change as I change these. So now I have a fee range, min and max. I can save this, come back to my detail screen, and you'll see that we show the range of min and max here. And if I go back to this proposal list and I can sort, and there's Manhattan 1 at the max value, so I can see it on my estimated fee screen here. So that is how we now get estimated fee ranges for proposals into Qfactor.